Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the sound from a video on your iPhone. Whether you're editing a clip for social media or just want to silence the background noise, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the photo app on your iPhone and find the video you want to edit. Tap on the video to open it and tap on Edit in the top right corner of the screen to enter the editing mode. Tap on the volume icon, which looks like a speaker, located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it and you see a slash through it, indicating the sound is now mounted. Once you've mounted the sound, tap done in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it guys, you successfully removed the sound from your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like, comment and share. Stay tuned for more iPhone tips and tricks, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.